आता खबरो विस्तारान. खण विशयावयलो सर्वोच्च न्यायालयाचो आदेश हांवें वाचला. राज्याचे उत्पादन चडांत चड वाडोवन घेवपाक जे पर्याय शक्य आसा तांचो आढावो घेतलो. अशे खुबशे विकल्प आसात. हांची संबंधीत लोकां कडेन चर्चा करतलो म्हण मुखेलमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकार उलयला. आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर पर्वरीच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झिल रॉड्रिगीस आनी गौतम शिरोडकार.
नवीन एक्टा प्रमाणे त्यांचे रिन्युअल जावन ना त्यो 2020 पर्यंत ऑटोमॅटिक एक्सटेंड जाता. सो दॅट ऑल लिगल पार्ट आय विल गो इनटू. How long do you expect for binding to 6 months. 6 months from should be the target.
6 months from March 15.
6 months from March. Why you want to count the number of days in that? Tentative time schedule, I found out, can be 6 months. That is tentative, subject to no hurdles and no problems.
And formation of corporation is considered.
Now, I have told you that all state is examining all options.
And the interest of Goan miners is protected by the government.
Interest of the people of Goa will be protected. There is no minority that order, except probably those where extension is automatic up to 2020. The decision of Bombay High Court in Lithoferro versus State of Goa and Batch giving directions different from those given by this court in Goa Foundation matter is set aside. I think that answers your question. If you see before, the High Court proceeded on an erroneous basis that it could direct the State of Goa to grant a second renewal of the mining leases notwithstanding the direction in Goa Foundation. So High Court decision, based on that, we took this decision. Otherwise, our policy was moving towards auction. The court has very clearly said that. It only says that the second renewal of the mining lease granted by the state was unduly stayed, and it was based on the revenue of the state, argument that the revenue of the state, which is outside the purview of section 8.3. But I think if I go for auction of the mine, again it will be revenue of the state. So revenue cannot be determined. We went for a second renewal based on the High Court decision.
1,500 कोटी रुपयाचो उल्लेख आसा.
उल्लेख भेटो दिवन ना, आम्ही ऑलरेडी एक्शन चालू केला. SITचेर उल्लेख एक्शन करून 2 केसी ऑलरेडी चार्जशीट जाल्यो आनी दोन डझन केसीस आसा पळय चार्जशीट. बट while that was happening, I had set up a team of auditors to go through their record, and that team has pointed out this recovery due. So based on that, we have issued notice to the mine owners, and based on their reply, we will proceed further.